Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot meeting scheduling with Calendly. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Sales tab in the main menu. Select Meetings from the drop-down options. Look for the button that says Connect Calendly. You will be prompted to log into your Calendly account. Enter your Calendly credentials and sign in. Once logged in, grant HubSpot the necessary permissions. Return to the HubSpot Meetings page. Here, you will see available Calendly event types. Choose the event types you want to make available in HubSpot. Click on the checkbox next to each event type you wish to sync. After selecting, click Save to apply the changes. Now navigate to the Settings section within HubSpot Meetings. Set your preferences for scheduling, including duration and availability. Customize your meeting link if desired, adding a personal touch. You can also configure reminder emails and notifications. Once you're satisfied with the settings, hit Save Changes. Your Calendly events are now integrated with HubSpot. To test the integration, create a test meeting link. Share the link with a colleague to ensure functionality. Confirm that all details appear correctly in both HubSpot and Calendly. With everything set, you're ready to schedule meetings efficiently. This integration will streamline your scheduling process. Enjoy a more organized approach to managing your meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.